Now look beta. Combination revision we are going to do. See, in combination, first question what we are going to do it for 1 marks. So combination, based on that formula we are going to do. Take out the note, Nishika. Come on, start doing it. Join first. Those who have joined, tell your name. See, look here, multiple choice questions for combination revision for your exam. So what and all questions are there? Please check this one out. So here NC12, NC8 is there. So if NC12, NC8, they will tell you what is N equal to. At that particular moment, Divya, good morning, beta. Chalo, start revising, Divya. Start revising, beta. This is for combination revision, wholesome revision we are going to do. Come on, start, Nishika. Come on, start solving the questions, please. Siddharth, good morning, beta. Siddharth, all the definitions, formulas I'm giving, based on that, combination questions will become easy. One time NCRT example questions also we will do, and try to collect some questions extra from last time you took, na, like that. We will do that also. Okay. Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day, beta. Now look here, beta. What is the formula? If somebody will be asking you NCX is equal to NCY. Now look here. One formula is there. Based on that, this question will be solved. NCX is equal to NCY. NCX is equal to NCY. Understood? So when this will be exactly written, how we are going to proceed this question? Can anybody tell me what is the answer for this question? NCX is equal to NCY is there. So one simple formula is कि whenever you will write x plus y is equal to n should come. X plus y is equal to n should come. Okay, A is the answer. Super. Let's check this one out. So here NCX n minus. So can I write like this? Can I write this? N minus 12 is equal to NC8 because this is the formula. This is the formula because x plus y is equal to n will come. So x plus y should be equal to n. This when they are equal, x plus y is equal to Rudra A. Very good, beta. So x plus y is equal to A. So n minus x is equal to y. N minus x is equal to y. Based on this content, only this one. Nishika, look here. N minus 12 is equal to 8. So n minus 12 is equal to 8. So n is coming as 20 beta. So the correct answer is absolutely A. This is based on the formula. Okay, or directly we will do one thing. We will add 12 plus 8 is equal to 20. At the time of solving, we will directly add and write written n plus 8 is equal to 20. Good morning, Payoja. A is the answer. What is the other condition? Yes, other condition is this one only, na, that there are two conditions here. How to write this one out? So now look here, beta. That is the other condition. One is exactly if NC12 is equal to NC8 is there. These two, beta, just add this one out. This is one condition. Another condition is NCX is equal to NCY. That means this plus this should be equal to N. That is x plus y is equal to N. Okay, so now here we can do right, we'll shift this one out. So y is equal to n minus x. So because LHS is equal to RHS, in an equation LHS is always equal to RHS. So that situation what we can write, it will become n minus x is equal to NCY. So instead of y we can write n minus x. So definitely n minus x is equal to y because upside the higher limit is exactly same. So this is the only way to solve the question. Okay, shall we go for the next question? Nishika, done? We'll go for next question. Come on, children, solve this question. The number of parallelograms that can be formed from a set of 4 parallel lines intersecting another set of 3 parallel lines is. Solve this question, please. The number of parallelograms that can be formed from a set of four parallel lines. Okay, from a set of four parallel lines intersecting another set of three parallel lines. What can be the answer? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Answer the question, beta. How many parallelograms we can make? Any answer? So now look here, beta. Understand one thing. Two parallel lines are there. Parallel lines will always be present in what, beta? Pair. Okay. So two parallel lines are there. Imagine first, understand the situation and then solve the question. So here, if two parallel lines are made with what? See, parallelogram is made with what? Two parallel lines, correct? So here, this is exactly two parallel lines are there. Got it? So how many parallel lines are there? Okay, so out of four parallel lines, how many parallel lines are intersecting? Two parallel lines are intersecting. So beta, this one parallel line and this one another parallel line. Now a situation is three more lines are there because three parallel lines more are there. Understood? So that three parallel lines may be intersected by this to make that. So definitely the other parallel lines will also be present. So for three parallel lines, whatever parallel lines are there, we need two intersecting parallel lines, one like this and one like this always. So how many lines will be there? Out of that, two parallel lines should be intersecting. That's it, should be the situation. So now solve this one. 4 factorial by 4 minus 2, 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Here 3 factorial by 3 minus 2, 1 factorial into 2 factorial. So definitely 4 into 3 into 2 factorial by 2 into 2 into 3 factorial by 2. So 3 factorial is 3 into 2 factorial. So this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. This 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. This will be exactly getting cancelled. So 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. So definitely total 18 parallelograms are possible. Total 18 parallelograms are possible, children. Just understand how I have done, beta. Understand, to make a parallelogram, we need two parallel lines. How many parallel lines are there? Means two pair of parallel lines. Two pair of parallel lines. So here it is pair. Two pair of parallel lines. One pair of parallel lines like this, beta, and another pair of parallel lines. So how many parallel lines are there by two pair of parallel lines? If instead of that they might have written that four parallel lines are there, four parallel lines. Instead of this, if they have written seven parallel lines, and here if they have written five parallel lines, so out of seven, two parallel lines will be exactly going to make parallelogram because they are going to enclose it, and then remaining part is how much, beta? Five are there. So out of five also we need two. Understood? Out of five also we need two. So maximum we are needing two pair of parallel lines. Two pair of parallel lines here, which is exactly going to serve the condition. And this is the most important thing. Everybody, children, can you say, did you understood here? Did you understood here, beta, how to go with these type of questions? We'll go for the next question. Get ready for it. Understood, Nishi? How many pair of parallel lines are there, beta? Very good, Divya. So thank you so much, beta. Please respond, because if you're not responding, I'll think like you're sleeping. So now definitely two pair of parallel lines are there, and that two of opposite section, which will intersect each other. So now definitely we'll go for Nishikadan. Did you note it? So now look here. We'll go for the next question, beta. Today evening also I am going to keep the class. Now solve this question. 15C8, I am increasing the size. Come on children, solve this question. 15C8, 15C9 minus 15C6 and 15C7. What is the answer? I think you people must answer this question as fast as possible. This is very, very easy question, beta. Very, very easy question. The same formula what I did now, that same formula based on this only, this is going to solve. First question I solved with the formula, same is there. See, all are having 15, 15. That is your clue. Come on, try out, try out, try out. You can do it, beta. So here all that, see, all 15 are there. That is the biggest thing. Children, understand this one. You can be able to solve this question. Rudra, Payoja, Sujata, what is the problem here? You people must solve, try these questions. Kishore, Satya, seriously, punch him. Today Teachers Day, sorry, Children's Day. So no harsh word. Beta, please solve and give the answer. At least reply. I will give chocolate to the chocolate. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Try this question, beta. Now look here. Your format answer is, what can be the expected answer here? What type students are all are sleeping? Re Paja, Siddharth. Now look here. How to solve? First you see NCX is equal to NCY. Correct now? Why? Then this plus this is equal to x plus y is equal to n. So y will be equal to n minus x. So instead of this y, we will write n minus x. So ncx, so we can write nc n minus y is equal to ncy, n minus x. Correct? So here, I'm going to solve the question. Check this one out, how to solve this question. So in this question, 15C8 is there, beta. Now here 8 plus 7 is coming as 15. 8 plus 7 is coming as how much, beta? 15. And that is the jackpot. Because, see, look here. 15C8 minus 15C7. When you will add 8 and 7, it should give you n. So when you are adding 8 plus 7, it is giving you 15. And that's the most crucial part. Now here 15C9 minus 15C6. Correct? 15C9 minus 15C6. So when you add this two, you are getting 15. Then what next you are going to do? 15C, what is the formula? We can write here 15 minus 7, because this two addition is given. This you don't touch, only solve this part. Now here 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8 will come. And here 15C7 as it is. So 15C, 15 minus 9 minus 15C6. Now beta, this part will become 15C7 minus 15C7 plus 15C6 minus 15C6. This cancel answer is coming as 0. Option C is the correct answer. So this is a way to encourage and solve these questions. So this is totally based on this formula where y will be equal to n minus x. Y will be equal to n minus x. Y will be equal to n minus x, and we will be able to solve this question like this. So now we will go for the next one. Done, Nishi? हाँ 6 कैसे लिखा? लुक हियर, कैसे? थोड़ा दिमाग लगाओगी तब ना. सो 15C8 प्लस 15C9 minus 15C6 minus 15C7. First you take these two together, 15C8 minus 15C7. Okay, next one you need to take this together, 15C9 minus 15C6. Done. Now here this two adding is giving you 15. 8 plus 7, 15. So here what is the formula? Given NCX is equal to NCY, then these two sums should give you 9, n. So x plus y is equal to n. Understood? So rather than writing x, what we can write? nc n minus x. Then only it will be equal to ncy. N minus x, if you will do, is it equal to y or not? So here 15c, 15 minus 8. Understood? 15 minus 8 minus 15c7 plus 15c, 15 minus 9 minus 15c6. So here 15c7 minus 15c7 plus 15c9 minus 15c9. This cancel, answer is coming as 0. I hope everybody understood. Come on, respond at least that you people are understanding or not. Come on, go for it. Write down this question. This part is good question. Now please solve. We'll go for the next question. Children, start doing the next question. Payoja, did you understood? Any doubt is there, beta? Okay, we'll go for the next question. So that formula x plus y is equal to n only we are going to use, Payoja. We'll be able to solve the question. Okay. Now we are going to go for the next question. Are you ready for the next question? So today full day we will do combination divisions. Extra question also I will give. So now look here. The number of ways in which foreign students can be distributed equally among 4 sections is given by. Come on, do it. Sorry. The number of ways in which 4n students can be distributed equally among 4 sections. 4n student equally distributed among 4n student. Now go for it, beta. So here what they are telling, 4n students can be distributed equally among 4 sections. How to solve this question, beta? Equal distribution. Equal distribution, how to go for equal distribution and how to solve this question. Check this one out, beta. Four n should be distributed to 4 sections. Check. 4n should be distributed to how many sections? 4 sections. That means each section should have how many students? 4n number of students are distributed to each section. If 40 students are distributed to 4 sections, then each student are how many sections will be there? Each sections will have how many students? 10. Correct now? Huh? Each section will have how many students? N students. So here same way, very good beta. So 4n students means each section will have how many students beta? N student. Each section will have how many students? N students, because 4n is there. Very good, Paja. So here also 4n Cn means out of 4n, n student is distributed in first section. Then remaining how many students left? 3n. Correct now? If one section is having total 4n is there, if 40 is there and equally distributed among 4 sections, means each section will have 10, 10, 10. So if 4n is there, then each section will have n, 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 n. So now first section you have given n. Then how many students left? 3n students left. Now again 3n students will be distributed among how many students? N. Now how many students left? Say. Very good. So now 2n students are there. How many students we are going to get? N. Now how many students are there, beta? N. And how many is distributed? N. So now what is the formula? 4n factorial by 4n minus n factorial into n factorial. Now here 3n factorial by 3n minus n factorial into n factorial into 2n factorial by 2n minus n factorial into n factorial. And here n minus n factorial by n minus n factorial into n factorial. So see here 4n factorial, 3n factorial, 2n factorial, n factorial. So now check this one out. 4n factorial. Here it is coming 3n factorial into n factorial. Again here it is coming as 3n factorial. So this 3n and 3n will get cancelled. It will become 2n factorial into n factorial. Now here it is 2n factorial into n factorial into n factorial into n factorial by 0 factorial means 1 into n factorial. So this and this will get cancelled. Now 2n factorial is getting cancelled. What is the final conclusion? 4n factorial by how many times n factorial is coming? N factorial to the power 4, because this one will multiply with this one, with this one, with this one. So that means what is the answer here? The answer here is coming as 4n factorial by n factorial to the power 4. So C is the correct answer. Come on, go for it. C part will become the correct answer. So like this you have to exactly attempt the, yes, like this you have to attempt what? Combination related questions like this you have to attempt. Don't miss out all this part, because these are very very important tricky content. One thing I will explain why they have multiplied it, because every section will have n number of students, then selection will become very adverse. So here you need to understand that combination is, see, what you call arrangement and selection both is considered as permutation, but only selection is exactly considered as combination. So here it is a mere selection. Here all are mere selection. Here just you need to do one small work, beta. Just you need to select n number of students, and then big work you don't have to do. Just you need to select n number of students, and that's what selection. Arrangement is none of our business. Arrangement part is none of our business. Only selection part is there. So I hope everybody understood the number of ways in which foreign students can be distributed equally among 4 sections is given by. So this part we have done. We will go for the next question. Done, Nishi? Everyone done? Can I remove this one? यार कुछ तो बोलो तुम लोग. So next question we are going to do. Check this one out. Done? So now next question. So in the next question, what is given to you is, now check this one out. This is short questions. So I'm going to solve the short questions because we people will solve the short questions. Let's see what is the short question. The first question is evaluate NC4. That's the easy one now. Evaluation of NC4. So evaluation of NC4, it's not a big deal. What we need to do, Payoja, ma'am, what is the trick for finding whether questions asked about combination or permutation? That's a very $1,000,000 question you have asked. Beta Payoja, did you notice one thing? When they will say that one ball bag is there, in that bag 4 balls are there, and here one thing, when you will read the question carefully, now you will itself come to know, like where there in the previous question what they said. Good morning, Himanshu. So definitely in the previous question, what they have said, beta, did you notice, Nishika, what in the question previous section? 4n students are distributed equally among n sections. Understood? What is the possibilities? So here whenever they will use this type of words like 4n students are distributed so equally among 4 sections, understood, how many ways are there? So that means what you need to understand, that only selection is there. They have not given girl or a boy, or they have not sent interconnection. If interconnection might have been there, that time, today is 11th, beta. So that time, what is exact? Today evening 10th is there. So that time, what is exactly going to be done? Here we need to check the content. Okay. Here we need to check the content where selection is there. So here mere selection is there. So that means what? There is no connectivity generated. Equal distribution, no connectivity. Where no arrangement patterns are there in the question, answer will go for combination only. We'll see. I'll give you some questions. So today, tomorrow, we will be totally doing permutation. Bring whatever permutation and combination. Bring whatever questions are there, beta. Tomorrow also, I'm going to keep sessions for you. Now look here. We'll go solve most probable questions here. So what is the answer for the first one, beta? Now can you check this one out? NC9. So sorry, 9C4. 9C4. Direct formula. 9 factorial by 9 minus 4 factorial. 9 minus 4 factorial into 4 factorial. So it is coming as 9 into 8 into 7 into 6, because 9 minus 4 is 5 factorial into 5 factorial. By denominator part is 5 factorial into 4 into 3 into 2. So 5 factorial done. 4, 2, 8 gone, 3, 3 gone. So it is coming 3 into 7, 6 are 42. So 3 to the 6, 3 4 are 12. I hope you might have understood. So here answer. So this is answer. So what is the answer? 126. This is exactly question for combination. So combination C written means combination. Now beta, can you solve this question? Find n. Are you going to solve this type questions? Is it exactly tough or easy? Say what is the value of n? Everyone. Otherwise, I will call off all of you online, sorry, offline, and I will start asking questions. NC7, NC5. What can be the expected answer? NC7, NC5. So when you are writing NC7 and NC5, how you are going to solve this question? NC7, NC5. Again, same pattern formulas are there. NC7, NC5. Whenever they will be writing NC7, NC5, you know that NN is same. Got it? NN is same. So what you need to do, you know this formula NCX is equal to NCY. Now, beta X plus Y should be equal to N. X plus y must be equal to n. So since x plus y is coming equal to n, what work we can do here, beta? We can write here 7 plus 5 equal to n. So n is exactly equal to 12. N is exactly equal to 12. That's the most important crucial point, beta. Same formula again coming. So this part formulas will come again and again when you will be solving the question. Is it done? NCX, NC5. So x plus 5, y is equal to beta n. So definitely 7 plus 5 will be equal to 12. So definitely 12 value will become the value of n. 12 value will become the value of n. This is done. So we'll go for the next question. Question number 3. Please kindly see this question. Now look here, beta. Again same pattern question. What is this here? Same pattern question is there. Will you be able to write? Come on, try this question. Find R. Now, when we will solve this question number 3, we need to understand two situations are there. Okay. What and all are the two situations? When these two situations will be working, you will be getting the answer. So, first question number 3, I am solving. Please check this one out. In question number 3, what and all are the situations on which we are going to work? So, when this type questions are coming, how we are going to encounter the question and how we are going to solve the question. So, here it is NCX is equal to NCY. So, what and all are the two possibilities? One possibility is NCN minus x is equal to NCY. We'll write now. But here this directly we can write x plus y equal to n. This is one situation. Or we can write directly x is equal to y. So these are the two situations. Either sum of these two will be equal to n or these two itself will become equal. So these are the two possibilities. Don't write only one possibility, that is x plus y is equal to n. Here one situation will be there, beta, that is exactly explaining x will be equal to y. It can also be explaining x will be equal to y. So one possibility is there when you can directly write x is equal to y. I hope you might have understood. So once this possibility is exactly there, we can be able to solve. So here for our question, one time we can write, say here, this is exactly fitting our formula. So since it is fitting our formula, first so we can write this equal to this. That is x is equal to y. When NCX is equal to NCY, our first priority is x equal to y. Let's check if it is possible to get the answer from x is equal to y. So now here what is there? 3r equal to r plus 3. If you shift here, 2r equal to 3, r is equal to 3 by 2. So we know that term cannot come in fraction, so not possible. Yes, so here you can write directly x plus, so this 2 you can add, that is 3r plus 3. This is x, y, and that should be equal to 15. Understood? So now let's check. So r plus r here, how much will become? 4r equal to 15 minus 3. So 4r is equal to 12. So r is equal to 3. Understood. So here that section r will be equal to 3. So that formula what we have solved is based on our, yes, thick chocolates. Go and eat. Definitely this is the most important thing. R is coming as 3 here. R is coming as what beta? R is coming as 3 here. R is coming as 3. Hmm. See now, all 11th standard students, they took chocolate in their mouth and they are silent today. In hand also their chocolates are there. They can't type also today. So all are very, very, Children's Day means all children are very, very happy. So no comments, no answers, nothing. Very good, nice, super. Did you understood this one, beta? So R is exactly coming as 3. We'll go for the next question. Note down this one. Are we ready for the next question? So next question, how we are going to solve it? Now check this one out. Word problem, how many chords? This question can be solved how? So 2n factorial, how to go with this formula? How to expand this formula? 2n when you are solving, how you are going to solve it? It will become 2n factorial by 2n minus n factorial into n factorial. So it will become 2n factorial by n factorial into n factorial. Now how to solve this one? Now 2n factorial can be written as 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2 till 3 to 1 by n factorial into n factorial. Till here written. Now beta, since 2n term, 2n numbers are there, that means if 10 numbers are there, so if somebody will give you 10 numbers, in that 10 numbers 5 numbers will be odd and 5 numbers will be even. How? Now look here, 10 can be written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 5 numbers are odd and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers are even. So same way, if 2n numbers are there, that means half numbers will be odd and half numbers will be even, because 2n is an even number. So half numbers will be odd and half numbers will be even. So after that I am using this space here. So here we will write 2n. So all even numbers separate, 2n minus 2, 2n minus 4, and then 6 into 4 into 2. So all even numbers taken together. This will be total n terms. This total numbers will be how many terms? N terms. And then here odd part we are taking separately, 2n minus 1, 2n minus 3 till 3, 1. Got it? By n factorial into n factorial. Now here every n term is having 2. Every n term is having 2. So how many 2 will come out? N number of 2's will come out. So n number of 2's coming out means 2 to the power n number of 2's. So n number of 2 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many times? N times. So definitely it will give you 2 to the power n, because all will be multiplied na beta. 2 into 2 into 2 means 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 means 2 to the power 3. So definitely when n number of 2's are coming out, it will become 2 to the power n. Then what left here? N minus 1, n minus 2 into 3, 2, 1. But this even section will remain as it is. This even section will remain as it is, this part. It will come as odd number, 2n minus 1, 2n minus 3, 3n 1. Now here, beta n factorial into n factorial. So final overall answer is coming 2 to the power n. This will open as n factorial into 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2, 2n minus 3, 531 by n factorial into n factorial. So this n factorial and n factorial cancel. This is solved. You can arrange from more to less or less to more. That is not a big deal. But answer will be coming like this. So you need to just solve it. But only one trick I have used. Nothing big I have used. First the formula written. Based on formula, I opened it. After opening, I came to know n number of terms odd, n number of terms even. Odd number I did not touched. How many number events were there? From that two I have taken out, because even number will 100% will have two. So definitely how many twos came out, because n terms were there. So 2 will come n times outside. So 2 to the power n. Here we are not multiplying 2 into n. It will become 2 to the power. Because why? Because every term is giving 2. Then we cannot write 2 to the power n, 2 into n, not possible. So here what we are going to write, because everything is multiplied, 2, 2, 2, 2. So it will come 2 to the power 4. So here n number of terms coming means 2 to the power n. And beta even number will be left, it will become n factorial, n minus 1, n minus 2. And then beta n factorial and n factorial will get cancelled. I hope everybody understood this part. Nishika done? Everybody done beta? Now look here, we'll go for the next question. Rudra, can you solve this question please? Now this next question is, this is the proof question. Everybody done? Done? Now next question is, how many chords can be drawn through 15 points on a circle? Super question. How many chords can be drawn from 15 points in a circle? Think very carefully and then answer the question. Try this question, Orbita. For drawing a chord or drawing a line segment, how many points are needed? Just think like that and you will get the answer. 15C2, bang on. Super answer, Siddharth. Correct answer. So, beta, whenever we draw any circle, 2 points will be there. So, 15 points are there. So, 15 total points. Here, nothing. Arrangement is not at all needed. Absolutely correct, Rudra. Arrangement is not at all needed, because here only selection is there, so only combination question. Why beta? 15C2, correct, because beta for a chord 2 points are there. Now beta, we need not to arrange now that it should be in diameter. It can be anywhere like this. 15 points I will take in a circle, better. 15 points I am taking in a circle means it can draw, join. The chords can also join like this, like this, like this, like this. So definitely 15 points, 15 chords are there and it can be drawn like that. So till here, this 2 marks questions are done. Now we are going for 3 marks questions. So simple question format I have taken. We will be solving another questions also better. Nishika done? So when 15C2 is there, beta, it will become 15 factorial, 15 minus 2, 13 factorial into 2 factorial. So 15 into 14 into 13 factorial. One not five is the correct answer. Yes, 105 is the correct answer. Three of you are absolutely correct, beta. So shall we go for next question? Now look here. This question can be combination question also and permutation question also. So now you need to understand, is it a combination question or a permutation question? Because you have to reason it better. because now I am started playing with you. Miss, where it is it a combination question or a permutation question? Now let's, because beta, once you will learn how to catch the question, you will be able to solve the question also. In how many ways a committee of four members be selected from five men and four women? Think nicely. First, can I be writing it as a combination or can I be writing it as a permutation? Only selection. Is there any arrangement needed? No, there is no other part written here. There is no other part written here, beta. See, look here. How we are going to understand it's a combination question or a permutation question. In how many ways? First, though, directly they are telling in how many ways. In how many ways a committee of four members be selected? In how many ways? Absolute. Super. So it's a combination. Correct only, na beta. It's a combination only. Why it is a combination? Because here four members are there, but in that they have not told that two are male and two are female. They did not wrote a single point about it, that how many members should be male and how many members should be female. They said only four member I need. And how many male and female are there? Five and four. So total nine male, female, and in that four I am selecting. But beta, in the same question, if they might have said that ki out of four member, two are female and three are male. That particular moment, female and male, if it is there, that means two or three means sorry, in four members, three should be male and one should be female. That time, see, that time it will become permutation question because it is a selection and it is exactly arrangement also. Understood? That means out of four member, three are male and one is female. When you join together, four members are coming. But beta, this is arrangement and selection. We are arranging three places for male and one place for female. Understood? Out of how many female? Four women. Out of four women, like that. So definitely, this is the most important part. Let's solve this question. So this part is now not going to create. गगन गुड मॉर्निंग, बोला था क्लास में आओ नहीं तो कूट दिया करूंगी, आप सही बता रही हूँ. So 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 factorial, and here 5 factorial into 4 into 3 into 2. ये गया 4 to 8 गया, here 3 गया. So 3 7 21 into 6. 126, and answer is absolutely correct, beta. So please, वेरी गुड बेटा. बट आंसर करो, कोशिश करो आंसर करने का. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन बेटा, दिस इज टोटली योर गेम. नाउ लेट्स सी विच क्वेश्चन वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व. I will not say, it may be 2 3 questions permutation or some questions combination also. In how many ways a group of 11 boys can be divided into two groups, 6 boys and 5 boys? Now is it a combination or is it a... Oh, you were already in class. Very good, beta. So you attended yesterday class also. Today evening also I am keeping class. Full time now class. I'm because 10th syllabus almost over now. I'm only going to finish 12th syllabus and 11th syllabus. 11th, 12th also only 2 chapters left. And we started revision also. So night till 11 or 12 o'clock I'll be sitting with you people. No time for, no work for me. I'm workless for people. Only you people are my priority now. In how many ways a group of 11 boys can be divided into two group, 5 and 6 and 5? कोई combination है कि permutation है, बता दीजिए आप लोग. Permutation or combination बेटा? First to answer this question. Absolute Siddharth. Now you can solve it, beta. Nishika, permutation or combination? Correct. Because here they have not given, na, two can be this, two can be this. Only 11 boys are there. It's a very blunt question. Nothing is there. 11 boys are there. Out of 11 boys, that conditions we have given, na, that conditioning we have done. Out of 11 boys, six, two groups we are dividing, six or this much. So note down this one. Go for it, please. 6 out of 11, 5 out of 11. So correct answer is 462. Absolutely correct, Rudra. So now let's check this one out. Correct answer, Rudra has given. I need solve and check this one out. 11 can be divided into 4, 6. Huh? So beta, here 11 students are there. So 11 boys are there. If 11 boys are there, it will be 6 will be left. Or 11C5. Both answer will be same only. Because see, in how many ways a group of 11 boys be divided into two groups? So definitely 11C6, and where sarcasm is there, like 11C6 will be equal to 11C5. Same formula, 6 plus 5 is coming as 11. So anyone you solve, 11 factorial by 11 minus 6 means 5 factorial into 6 factorial. So it is coming 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial by 6 factorial into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. So 6 factorial cancel. 5 will cancel this 2 times. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. 3 will cancel this one 3 times. 4 will cancel this one 2 times. So 11 into 6 into 7. 462. Let's see what answer. Yes, absolutely 462. Rudra has given answer 462. Yes, Rudra, absolutely correct, beta. So see, here it is not going to be Rupayoja. अच्छे से समझो. Here now they are telling can be divided into two groups. Here division is there, addition is not there. They are not telling that two groups are present in a class. They are divided. Divided means we are going to separate them out. So one group will have if 6 students, then another group will have 5 students. Like that we have to take like this. Nishika, understood? Did you solve it, beta? Can we go for the next question, please? Come on, try this question, children. पहले तो देखो. Try this question, beta. Any idea? No doubt it is a combination question. कोई arrangement नहीं है. No arrangement is there. It's only selection. No one is taking first place. No one is taking second place. So no arrangement is there. Only simple selection is there. Come on, try this question, beta. See, total number of vacancies are 12. Total to fill 12 vacancies. 25 candidates of which 5 are SC. So out of 25 candidates, how many are SC? 5 are SC. Okay, 25, 5 are SC. 5 are SC. Then how many candidates left? 25 out of 5. So 25, first SC candidate, SC candidate 5. 3 of the vacancies are reserved for SC candidate. So out of 5 SCs, 3 are going to be selected. You need to think like that, beta. Out of 5 SC, we did not to say that 25 candidates are appearing for it. 25 candidates are appearing for it. In that 5 are SC. So 5 will exactly go for 3 seats. 5 will compete for how many seats? 3 seats. Now out of 25, 5 minus. That is reserved for this SC/STs है ना, so for others. So 20 will be reserved for whom? 20 will be reserved for others. And beta, total 12 vacancies are there. Total how many vacancies are there? 12 vacancies are there. So out of 12, 3 are kept for SC. So the remaining will be exactly coming how much? Others, reserved seats. So 12 minus 3, 9 seats are exactly reserved for others. 9 seats are reserved for others. Understood? 3 seats are specifically given to, very good Rudra. 3 seats are specifically given to whom? 3 seats are given to SC/ST. Correct? Now SC. Now after 3 seats given to SC, remaining how many seats will be there? 9 seats. And 9 seats, how many people will compete? 20 people. So 5C3. 5 SC candidate will fight for 3 seats. Understood? Now how many left people left? 20. And 20 people will fight for how many seats? 9 seats. That's it. So here multiplication. 20 minus 9. यहाँ पे नो 5 factorial by 5 factorial, sorry, हाँ 5 minus 3 factorial into 2 factorial. Correct. Because 5 minus 2 will become 3. Yes. Answer Rudra, everybody got? After solving this one only, na? Children, can you tell me, did you open this one? Because I have not opened, I have just wrote this part. So how many, what is the answer coming? Like this only you have solved? And what is the answer coming? I'm keeping this one only. Who will have patience to solve this one here? That much multi. Rudra, did you got this one bit and after that you got this answer? That is your answer is Rudra has given the answer. I got 646640. And Princess, now definitely there is a clash. So 5 factorial, 3 factorial, that is 3 to the 6 into 2 factorial, that is 2, 6 to 12. Now here 20 into 19 into 18 into 17 into 16 into 15 into 14 into 13 into 12 into 11 factorial. By down 11 factorial into 11 factorial cancel 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 factorial. So this 5 factorial cancel. Now here 6 and 2, 12. So 12 gone. Okay. So here it is coming as 20 into 19 into 18 into 17 into 16 into 15 into 14 into 30. 9 into 8 into 7 into 6. 7 twos are 14. Now 6 threes are 18. 9, 5 and 3 gone. 8 to 16. So definitely what we will do, it is coming 20 into 19, here into 17, into 2 into 5, 2 into 30. It is coming as 10, 130. 130 into 2 nines are 18, 380 into 2 sevens are 14, 2 ones are 2, 3, 34. So this one will multiply, we'll get the answer. After multiplying, yes, check this one out. After multiplying, you people have, because you have given something, two people have given two different answers. So only I am multiplying 38 and 30, 3, 8, 24, 3, 10, 9, 10, 11, 1, 8, 8, 1, 3, 3, 4, 9, 4. So 4, 9, 4, 138 and 13 done 34. 1976. After that, 3, 4, 12, 3, 9, 27, 28, 3, 4, 12, 1, 13. What is the answer coming, beta? Oh, I'm getting different answer. 13, 38 into 8. Yeah, that answer is coming. I'm also getting the same answer. Any number did I missed that has to be checked, but most probably this is the correct answer. 9876. How much is coming? But I just calculate this part because till here we are absolutely correct. What is the answer coming, Vishal? This one is giving you how much? Check. 5 factorial by 6 into 2. So 5 factorial is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. And it is giving us 6 into 2. So definitely 3 to 6 gone, 10 it is giving. Only 10 this part is giving. This part is only problem. If this we will solve, what answer is coming. Anyways, multiply that part, beta. Multiply that part, you will be getting. Rudra, one time check. After solving, did you got the same equation? That's what I wanted to know. Because he'll go multiplication, means it will take time. So we'll solve the next question. Today's school is there. Now determine the number of 5 card combinations out of deck of 52 cards if there is exactly one ace in each combination. 5 card combination. This is a super question. Come on, go for it. 5 card combination. Determine the number of 5 card combinations out of a deck of 52 cards if there is exactly one ace in each combinations. First beta, we will check what and all they are asking. Total number of aces. Total number of aces are how much beta? 4. So if somebody will be asking, total number of aces coming here is 4. So now 5 card combination out of deck of 52 cards. So now if we will be total number of aces is 4. So 4C1 can I do? Because out of 4 any one is selected. So 4 aces are there. Now 4 aces has to be distributed. 4 aces has to be distributed in 5 card combinations. Understood? So 52 cards, out of that, listen very carefully, 52 cards are there. So out of 52 cards, first you take out 4 cards. How many cards left? 48 cards. Understood? Now 48 cards are arranged in 5 card combinations. How many card combinations? 5 card combinations. Okay. The total number of 5 card combination will exactly have one ace now. So you have written this answer. I am going for another, I am planning for another thing. So here 4 cards, 4 aces. Understood. So 5 card combinations will be in exactly one ace in each combination, but only 4 aces are there. How many aces are there? 4 aces. So 4 card combination is only there, and one card will be the total card combination. So here it will be 48 cards are left. 48 cards will have 4 card combination. Understood. 4 aces, and out of 4 aces, how many aces you have to take? One ace. And how many segment you can do? 4 segment out of remaining 48 cards. So this is the answer. After that, your duty is to solve. You time I did not solve. Okay, definitely beta, we are going to solve next questions remaining class. Today evening also I am going to keep the class. Bye bye.